Stop hiccups. My favorite way to stop hiccups is to use reverse psychology. I get really excited by my hiccups. I pay attention to what my diaphragm feels like and appreciate the uniqueness of the feeling as it spasms. A hiccup is a spasm of the diaphragm resulting in a rapid inhalation that is stopped suddenly by a closure of the glottis, thus creating the hic sound. I play hiccup games, for example by trying to beat the hiccup through a very long word or phrase, i.e. anti-disestablishment hiccuparianism. Sure enough, once you really begin to look forward to the next hiccup, there is no next hiccup. Here are a few other home remedies to stop the hiccups. Ge Shu Acupressure Point. There is an acupressure point known as the Ge Shu point that is along your thoracic vertebra by the bottom of your shoulder blades. This point governs the diaphragm, and pressing on this point can stop the spasms that cause hiccups. You won't be able to reach the Ge Shu acupressure point yourself, but you can have a friend place her fingers on either side of your spine, about 1 finger's width away, and press firmly until the hiccups stop. Swallow a teaspoon of sugar. Even thinking of swallowing a teaspoon of dry white table sugar is sometimes enough to stop your hiccups. The theory here is that the sensory impulse created by swallowing the sugar interferes with the nerve impulses that are making your diaphragm contract. Swallow a tablespoon of peanut butter. This is really just a variation on a theme, the unusual sensory experience provided by swallowing a tablespoon of peanut butter interrupts the nerve impulses that are creating the hiccups in the first place. Hold your breath. Holding your breath is meant to disrupt the hiccup cycle. Hold your breath for as long as is comfortable and then begin to breathe normally again. Sip water upside down. Bend your head forward and sip water from a glass, or alternatively, stand on your head and have a friend hold your glass as she pours you small sips. Scare hiccups away. Give a friend permission to startle you. The sudden surprise sometimes stops hiccups cold. Hiccup products. Yes, there are products to stop your hiccups. You gotta love America, such as the hiccups. Hey, it's your $19.50. I am a big believer in the power of the mind. So I believe that if you perform any of the above procedures with the absolute conviction that it will stop your hiccups, then it will.